Starting a business is not just a leap of faith. It's a strategic dance with uncertainty, a maze of challenges, and a canvas for creativity. Throughout history, entrepreneurs have carved their paths, leaving behind lessons that transcend time. Sometimes things are going well for you, but the next day you have no idea what's going to work or not. From Silicon Valley to bustling marketplaces, we gather insights from those who dare to dream, fail, learn, and triumph. Get ready to explore, learn, and be inspired as we unlock the 7 secret rules to start a business. You're not ready to grow until you nail a niche, because there are worries that hold us back from finding our spot. We might think if we only go after one type of customer, like banks, we'll miss out on everything else. Or you can say, I don't want anything small, I want to aim big. But these are just worries. What we'll find is that when we choose a specific kind of customer, focus on them, and talk to them, it can open up a big world of opportunities for you. Whether we are talking about an individual salesperson or an entire company, key to fostering growth isn't just about the number of salesperson on the team or the type of product in the hand. While these factors are undeniably important, what truly matters is whether we have a dependable pipeline in place for generating leads and opportunities. Our goal remains the same: to establish a consistent and a predictable pipeline for expanding the pool of opportunities to engage with the potential customer. But in the realm of growth, it's not merely about quantity. It's about the quality of the system we curated to ensure that we are consistently creating opportunities to connect with those who could benefit from what we have to offer. Sometimes speeding up growth can create more problems than it solves. Like people say, wow, growth is exciting, right? Or we want to go faster. Or let's say, we want to make more money. Or we want to have more people. It all sounds amazing, right? But until you say, well, we are hiring more people because a bunch of them aren't working out. Or our systems aren't working anymore. Things are broken, our comp system doesn't work, our product isn't serving our customers and stuff like that. But there are some things you can do to design the sales team from the beginning to be able to grow more easily rather than throttling up and going unstable. Building a substantial business from small deals is a formidable challenge. In our early years, we lacked the experience to recognize that the effort required for a small deal versus a larger one is nearly identical. So, whether you are an individual salesperson or a company, a key strategy for smoother growth is to embrace these words: fewer, bigger, better. So, focus on prioritizing fewer deals that are more substantial and align better with your objectives. As a collective, we need to invest our time wisely. The stark reality is that achieving your goals takes considerably longer than anticipated. This realization is a pivotal aspect of our philosophy, and and you take great pride in it. Often overlooked, these aspects is a source of the anxiety, depression, and struggle we face. The disparity between when we desire things to happen and when they are generally prepared to unfold. Yes, we wanna hit 1 million in 12 months. Or we wanna hit, this much amount in the bank. We want these goals. It's so important to realize that you are where you are. You are where you need to be. Understanding that this is a boat. And no matter how you do it, there's going to be ups and downs. You need to learn this out. The stark reality is that our employees are renting, not earning their jobs. As leaders, we often find ourselves pondering, why aren't our people putting in more effort? Why don't they match our level of dedication? Well, it's elementary. They are not owners. And it's unjust to anticipate the same level of commitment. So, focus on crafting a culture and a team that fosters emotional ownership, motivating individuals to invest more passion and effort into their work. The painful truth is, everyone gets frustrated, and you need to apply that to your advantage to define where you want to take things. And this really is a section for individual contributors and employees. It's all the individuals on the team who are layers of leaders above them and are used to feeling somewhat powerless in the company. If you are a leader and really want to set a new direction for growth, and that includes changes to the company, you need to define your destiny. Now, think like this. Do you want your people behind those changes, or do you want them to fight your changes? Part of that is setting a clear vision, like how can you have more people in your company to feel more empowered so they can define their own destiny better versus waiting for you to fix it for them. So, define your destiny.